Hello once again, Yardie TV with another reaction video. This time I want you to take a look at this video and share your opinion in the comment box below. And this video is a simple one. It may or may not be interesting to you, but it was interesting enough for me to share. And it's simply this, a clip of a choir and so a bunch of musicians singing in a church. But it's the kind of music that they're singing and the general reaction to the music that made it interesting for me. Take a look at the video coming up right there, and then tell me what you think. Yeah? We'll come back.
This has grown from a tiny seed which sprouted, and this is what has happened as we've been blessed year after year after year with having the Jamaican services. And you know, the New World Sun, the songs they play in Holland or Australia or wherever you go, right, are the Jamaican medley that they learned in little old Niagara Lake at Bethany Mennonite Church. And I love that medley. Aren't we going to hear that medley tonight? Oh, I think we might. I think so. Bund them with the Holy Ghost, man. Oh, yeah. I just found out what it means. I think it means burn, right? Burn them with the Holy Ghost. And we do need to catch a fire. Wouldn't that be something if all the churches in Niagara Lake and Virgil and St. David's and Queenston, Niagara Falls would catch a fire? Oh, my goodness.
All right, let's all stand, you know. You ready to keep going now? Oh. All right, we need to get the drums ready. Somebody so good I can catch a fire, catch a fire, catch a fire. I wish somebody so good I can catch a fire, one day with the Holy Ghost. I said one day, Jesus, one day with the Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, one day, Jesus, one day with the Holy Ghost. I wish somebody so good I could catch a fire, whoa, catch a fire. I wish somebody so good I could catch a fire, one day with the Holy Ghost. One day, Jesus, one day with the Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost, one day, Jesus, one day with the Holy Ghost. I wish somebody so good I could catch a fire, whoa, catch a fire. I wish somebody so good I could catch a fire, one day with the Holy Ghost. Sing it! One day, Jesus, one day with the Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost, one day, Jesus, one day with the Holy Ghost. Divine force, we come here, we take it by force. Yeah, sing by force, we come here, we take it by force. Sing it, sing by force, come here, we take it by force, we come here, we take it by force. Sing it, by force. Yeah, we take it by force. By force. Come, yeah, we take it and we not go let it come. We have to take it by force. By force. By force. Oh, yeah, we take it by force. By force. By force. Oh, yeah, we take it. Take it. He's a miracle working God. He's a miracle working God. He's a wonder. He's a miracle. He's a miracle working God. He's a miracle working God. He's a miracle working God. He's a wonder. He's a miracle. He's a miracle working God. He's a miracle working God. He's a miracle working God. He's a wonder. He's a miracle. He's a miracle working God. Come on. Watch me now. Me not go suffer. Me not go beg no bread. The Lord is my provider. Me not go beg no bread. Me not go suffer. Me not go beg no bread. The Lord is my provider. Me not go beg no bread. Me not go suffer. Me not go beg no bread. The Lord is my provider. Me not go beg no bread. Give mommy daddy, give mommy daddy, give mommy daddy, Jesus of the God. Me not go suffer. I go beg no bread. The Lord is my provider. We not go beg no bread. Give mommy daddy, not go beg no bread. The Lord is my provider. We not go beg no bread. Give mommy daddy, give mommy daddy, give mommy daddy, Jesus, one day.
Wow, very interesting. What do you think about that video, man?
No, that video is nice. It's really nice. It's refreshing to see, you know, our Jamaican music being appreciated in by people who are not Jamaican. Obviously, the church full of black people, so it must have been a place where they have gone to minister. You know, and the people were enjoying the music. The people were enjoying the music, traditional Jamaican praise and worship medley.
And I like the fact that they didn't try to deviate from the true Jamaican patois.
Yeah, you notice
they didn't try to standardize it or English it up or nothing.
That was amazing. The white people, them learn the patois. As a matter of fact, the man say him never know where the word bun mean. Him just recently find out say the word bun mean burn. But the fact is that the singers them went ahead and sing the song as much as possible in the Jamaican vernacular. You know, and that was refreshing. It shows that the people them love the authenticity of what we have what we have to deliver.
And at the same time, in our own culture, sometimes we try to water it down, and you know, we try to not make it be so, as they call it, rough or raw. And so,
because again, we've been cultured wrongly. We've been cultured to believe that the speaking of patois in certain settings is like you minimize the setting, or it not come in, it not fit in,
unholy.
It not holy. You know, so it's crazy because in some churches, Jamaican churches, that is, our churches with Jamaican leadership, they would try to even sing, I'm not gonna suffer, I'm not gonna beg, or me not gonna beg for bread. They try
He is my father, oh.
Yeah, them try to soften it, as though saying it in its raw stage is less than. Yeah, man.
Sanctified.
Me love how the people them do it. I love how they put it, and I'm encouraged by it. You know, I'm disappointed. You know that again in some circles, which are predominantly Jamaican circles, you would not hear those type of songs for praise and worship. By the way, they would sing it at concerts and them stuff. But when it comes to real serious church, they're not gonna sing it.
They tend to go for the more modern, contemporary type worship.
Yeah, our American style of worship. Because when it comes to singing holy songs, it's like them said, them song that the holy one, them, and the Jamaican one, them not really that holy. So then we do it at concerts where people jump up and go a certain way. But then when they want people to sort of get more serious, I guess, then they would have sort of try to bring it down and use another type of genre. So it's a crazy thing because you can't tell me so that what these guys were doing what didn't have its place, you know. And maybe it's a concert setting too, but the major point is this: do you think that the Jamaican songs, reggae music, have a place when it comes to serious praise and worship? And do you also think that worship have to be soft, or worship can be an up-tempo song? What is worship versus praise songs? Give me give me a response. Your response. You know, put your comments in the box below. And I hope you enjoyed the video, because I did enjoy the video. The video was good. What do you think?
It was very good, very refreshing. Everybody was equally enjoying the music, and I think music should be that universal thing that brings people together. And you know, it doesn't really prohibit you from, you know, enjoying yourself because you're not of a certain color or culture.
And remember this, I did a study recently that says all music is spiritual. You know, music is the only element on the earth that was not created on the earth according to the Bible. Music was created in heaven. So all music is spiritual. All music is created for one reason: worship. It's just who you worship when you hear the music, and who the music leads you to worship. And I believe that Jamaicans, we have a lot to be proud of. Our music, our culture is a significantly impressive culture and influential culture that we should not take for granted. Be proud of who you are. We are Jamaicans, and we're happy to be vibrant people, lively people, people who anything that we want to do, we do it. And anything that we get involved in, we do it to the best of our ability, both good and bad, negative and positive. You understand? So look out for more videos of this nature from Yardie TV. I'm not gonna go for the popular videos, just the ones that are uniquely interesting for me to comment on. And if you like it, give us a thumbs up, share it, and continue to watch Yardie TV. Yeah, remember me telling you. What you think. And let us know what you think. No comment will be rejected. Every comment is a person's opinion, and everybody is entitled to their opinion. And we don't want you to feel like if you make up a point and somebody rebut it, it's an argument or a war. Keep it positive, keep it upbeat, and also keep it clean. Once again, Yardie TV, another video coming your way. Peace.